Alright, first thing I'm gonna do, make 1000 by 1000 canvas. After that we're gonna bring our picture in, get a new guide layout, fix it, there we go. Rasterize it. I'm just gonna make the text. I'm using Passion 1 as the font. Rasterize it. We're gonna do something that I usually don't like doing, but I think it fits this poster. We're gonna stretch the font. Alright. Let's do the bottom text later on. First thing we're gonna do is add the halftone effect. So we're gonna remove the guides. The first thing I'm gonna do, go to adjustments, go to vibrance, decrease the saturation so it's completely black. Go to brightness contrast, increase the contrast quite a bit, and just decrease the brightness a bit. Now we're gonna merge all the visible layers like this, add a curve, like this, merge down, go to filter gallery. Alright, you wanna copy these settings, go to green, intensity 0, contrast 40. Use halftone pattern, size about 2 and contrast 50 with the dot pattern, and film green with the green 10, highlight area 18 and intensity about 2. And there we go, we have our halftone pattern. Now I'm just gonna add some finishing touches and we'll be done with our poster.